In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change circles on the Life360 app in 2026. Alright, so first things first, I'm starting here on my iPhone. Go ahead and open up the Life360 app and wait for it to fully load. Once you're on the main screen, this is where you'll normally see your map and the members of your current circle. Now, look at the very top of the screen, you'll see the name of your current circle, and right next to it there's a small drop down arrow. Go ahead and tap on that drop down. This will open a list of all the circles that you're currently part of. From here, changing circles is really simple. You'll see your other circles listed on the screen. To switch to a different one, just tap on the circle you want to view. As soon as you tap it, Life360 will automatically switch you over to that circle. Once the new circle loads, you'll now see the members, locations and places associated with that specific circle. There's no save button or confirmation needed. Life360 updates everything instantly. If you want to switch again, just tap the drop down at the top one more time and select another circle. You can do this as many times as you want, especially if you're managing multiple circles like family, friends or work groups. And that's pretty much it. Changing circles on Life360 only takes a few seconds. Once you know where to tap, just open the app, use the drop down at the top, and toggle between your circles anytime you need. That's how you change circles on the Life360 app on an iPhone in 2026.